This is the month of September, so this is the time when season starts to change. Your summer vegetables, summer plants, they start to die, and you have to start preparing for the fall or the winter plants. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let's talk about what to do in September. So I am in zone 9B, and as you can see, first let's talk about flowers. As you can see, my zinnias, sunflowers, and in the back I also have marigolds. They are going strong. They are still blooming a lot, so I don't need to do anything for them. But there are some plants, for example, my pansies, they are starting to die, and my cosmos plants, they are also kind of not producing that many flowers. So this is a time when all those flowers that are almost done blooming, you want to take them out, or if you want to save the seeds, maybe leave a few plants and remove rest of them, and prepare the soil for the next crop. So you want to add some amendments or fertilizers and leave it for a few weeks, and then plant the next set of plants. I have already started some of the flowering seeds. For example, I have planted calendula, I have planted sweet peas, crown daisy, and you can start dianthus, candy tuft, and many other flowers. All those flowers that bloom in fall and early spring, you want to start them now. So the idea is that they should have good roots before real winters set in, so they don't die in winters. So right now, because my beds, as you can see, they are still busy, so I have started the seeds in seedling planters, and they will take few weeks to develop, and by then some of the flowers will be gone, and then I can plant them in the flowering bed. Similarly, for vegetables, there are vegetables like right now I just removed all my cucumber vines because they were turning yellow and brown. My bitter gourd vines are turning yellow, brown. I have not removed them yet because I want to save some of those bitter gourds and get seeds from it. But very soon I'll remove those. I have cut back my pepper plants because I want to overwinter them, but I know that they are not producing many peppers now. And similarly, I've removed some of the zucchini plants because they are not producing that many zucchinis. I have left a couple so that I keep getting some supplies. So the idea is that all those vegetables that are kind of stopping to produce any vegetables, you want to remove those plants, and again fertilize your beds and keep them open for like 3 to 4 weeks, and then you can plant the fall vegetables. So this is the time you want to plant cauliflower, cabbage, carrots, turnips, beetroots, radishes, spinach, broccoli, so many vegetables. But you don't want to delay them too much. You want to plant them in October. So you can start the seeds indoors or in seedling planters, and by the time your beds are ready in about 4 to 5 weeks, your plants will also be ready, and you can transplant them into the place where you want to grow those vegetables. And you don't want to delay too much because, again, as I said before, if the winters set in, then the plants, if they are not properly set, the roots have not developed, they may die in winters. So you want to start them a little bit early when the winters are mild, and then they will be able to endure the winters. Now, if we talk about trees and shrubs, actually, I want to talk about the perennial flowers also. So, if you have amaryllis or daylilies or canna or Shasta daisies, this is the time you want to divide the bulbs and spread them out. So that way they will settle down before winters, and in spring you will have multiple clusters. So if we talk about trees and shrubs, you want to check it out. I mean, this is the probably the last month that you want to fertilize them, because then the winters will set in and they are going to go dormant. So there's no need to fertilize after that. And then, you know, check if there are any dry twigs, dry branches. Just remove them, because you know, as winters set in, if there are rotting branches and all, you know, they will develop pests. You don't want that. So remove anything that is dead on the trees and shrubs. And as I said, you know, I'm in zone 9B. If you are in a different zone, then you have to see, you know, what is the right time to, you know, plant vegetables or flowers in your zone. You know, if you search on the internet as per your zone, you will find many sites which give you that information. And that's how you learn, and slowly you'll get into the rhythm. You should make a calendar, a monthly calendar, that what do you do in each month. You know, that's what I have done slowly, and that's how then you remember that, okay, in this month this is what you are going to do. So you order your seeds, or you know, prepare things accordingly. So that's about it. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.